Good morning, students. Our next topic is uniform motion. Uniform motion is that motion when an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. It is said to be in uniform motion. For example, when a car is moving along a road, it covers 4 meters in 2 seconds. Then next 4 it is also covered in 2 seconds. So these types of motion is called uniform motion. Next is non-uniform motion. If an object covers equal distances in unequal interval of time, it is said to be in non-uniform motion. For example, when a car is moving along a road, if it covers 4 meters in 2 seconds and next 4 meters in 3 seconds, then it is said to be non-uniform motion. Next topic is speed. Speed is the distance per unit time, or it is measure how fast an object is moving. Speed equal to distance per unit time. Then distance is measured in meter and time is measured in second. So the basic SI unit of speed is meter per second. Next is average speed. Average speed is defined as the total distance covered over the time interval. For example, if we are going from Panipat to Rohtak, if a distance of is 80 km of drive and in 1 hour, then average speed is 80 km per hour. So we can calculate average speed. Average speed equal to total distance divided by total time. This average speed is not the uniform speed. Average speed is the total distance. The speed of the car or any object may be changed during this distance covered. Next is there are speed. The movement of an object in a unit time is called its speed. Speed is the distance covered divided by the time taken. Speed equal to distance covered by time taken. Non-uniform motion, if the speed of an object moving along a straight line keeps changing its motion, is said to be non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, an object moving along a straight line keeps changing its motion, is said to be uniform motion.